Good morning. We are teaching the basics of toasting thanks to OLMDJ and Uri's toaster. You like that? So we got, let's show the toaster. Okay, the toaster's right here. It's kind of there. And, all right, take two. Now we're rolling. Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We are teaching the basics of toasting today. We have a toaster courtesy of Uri Abramov and OLMDJ. And we have two pieces of toast that are being lightly toasted and two that'll be darker. Yeah, don't touch it. And we are waiting for it to pop up. And when it pops up, I think we'll see it right here. And it's taking a little bit of time because this is a good toaster. Now we're discussing what to put on the toast. Frank, what are you going to put on your toast?
Butter.
Butter. JJ, what are you going to put on your toast?
Butter.
Not peanut butter?
No.
No. I'm going to make a fluffernutter.
Why?
You want a fluffernutter too?
Me too.
You all want fluffernutters.
Yeah.
What are fluffernutters?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. I just told you.
I don't know.
Fluffernutter is two things: fluff and nuts.
No,
What's the fluff?
Oh, actually, I don't want to make a fluffernutter.
Okay, but what's fluff? Marshmallows, right?
Yeah.
And what's the nutter part?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. So fluffernutter is fluff with peanut butter. That's what we'll do. Gigi, what are you doing? You're exercising your face?
Okay.
Both of you. Okay. Anything else you guys want to say before this thing pops up?
Hey, who's home?
I think that's email. But hold on. Let's wait for it to pop up, and we'll catch it live on our little tape here, and then we'll see what happens. And Frank's this one on this side should pop up first.
And this one.
Oh,
Whoa!
look at that. That was surprising. It popped up, and then it goes up. So we'll have to get that out. Well, let's wait for the other side to pop up. It should be any second. Don't jump. Don't jump too hard. Don't let it scare you. What? Just to buy the time. Who's on your shirt?
Captain America Shield.
Captain America Shield. Is that your favorite Avenger? Oh, and then the other side popped.
Oh.
And who's on your shirt? Your sweatshirt. Your favorite sweatshirt.
Let me zip it back
Yeah,
up.
zip it back up and show the full effect. And
I'll put the hood
we should.
on.
And
I'll
the
put the
hood.
hood on.
Okay, and we should note that yesterday was Frank's birthday. Happy birthday, Frank.
I'm 6.
Yeah. So let's put it up, and then we'll have how to toast, and we'll come back with the results of our sandwiches.
And I am Pikachu.
And Pikachu here. All right, say goodbye for now. Say goodbye for now, and we will come back with the fluffernutter and butter, or we'll see where we come up.
Pikachu. Hey, don't touch.
Okay, we're back.
This
now,
is part 2.
part 2. So, but I'll put them together, so it'll really be like part 1. Now, we found that there's many ways to eat toast. JJ is eating it. Show your toast.
Dry.
Right? What's that called when you eat it just plain?
We eat it.
Dry.
Eat it dry.
You're eating it dry, exactly. Now, Frank, you're gonna have 2 pieces of bread, which we cut the crust off.
Yes.
Show that. Crust are off. And what are you gonna do? On one piece,
One piece is going to be peanut butter, and one piece is going to be butter.
butter. Okay, so here, why don't you start with the butter? Let me take the top off. You start with the butter. Now, I wanted a fluffernutter, but evidently I didn't realize we used all the fluff to make Rice Krispie treats by Schochet. And so I'm going to go with peanut butter and jelly.
Should I spread this on?
Yeah, there's a lot of butter. You don't need that much, but yeah. We're going to go with the... now, one important thing to notice is, Frank, we were talking about the different types of peanut butter, right? What are the different types of peanut butter?
Chunky.
Chunky and creamy.
Yeah, I like the creamy.
You like the creamy. I like the chunky. Even super chunk. That's even like extra chunky.
It said jump.
Yeah. So I don't know what happened to the chunky, but we're going to go with creamy and strawberry jelly for mine. Sound good? Okay, hold on. So we'll be back. So Frank, you're going to do your butter, and then you're going to do your peanut butter, and then we'll do a taste test afterwards, okay? All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, now our sandwiches are made. Now, Frank, what do we have to do before we eat our sandwiches?
Wash.
We have to wash and make...
I don't know.
Well, you have to make a bracha on when you wash and a bracha on the sandwich, right? All right, so we'll do that now. Quick, hold on. Okay. Baruch Adonai Elo melech haolam hamotzi lechem min haaretz. Frankie's going with the butter first. How's it taste? Good? Okay. Now are you going to eat that whole thing first, or are you going to switch to the peanut butter piece and go back and forth?
Eat this first.
You'll eat the whole part and then go to the next part? Okay. So, I think overall I think...
What's that?
What's what?
The red.
That just shows that it's taping. It shows how long we're talking for, which is probably too long. Not good to brevity. Anyways, now all we have to do is put this stuff back in the fridge, figure out what happened to the super chunk, but we'll figure that out. And that's it. You think a successful video? People will learn from this how to properly make sandwiches for themselves. Can you do it by yourself next time because you've learned the steps, you think?
Do what?
Next time you need a sandwich, now you know what to do. You can make it yourself. You know what they taught us in med school?
No.
You'll learn it once, then you do it once, and then you teach it. So you can do it the next time by yourself, and then the next time after that, you can teach it to somebody else. Sound good?
Well, when I'm more grown up.
Yeah. Now smile big so we can see your big teeth. Smile and say goodbye. Yeah.
Bye.